Illinois Performance Accountability and Transparency System, IPATS, using the dashboard tools. The dashboard tool syncs with Illinois Workforce Development System, IWDS data to pull in customer information to help track the flow of customers through the life of a program. The dashboard uses color coding to identify successful progress in green, customers who might have warning signs in yellow, and customers who need immediate action or follow-up in red. The dashboard is pulling in all program year data in IWDS, not just current program year. This is done to help provide transparency of customers who may have fallen off the radar and need immediate action to be reconciled in IWDS. The dashboard is set up with blue header rows identifying each section. Each section then contains dashboard rows. Users can hover over the info bubbles to see more information on where the data is being pulled from for these specific rows. All blue underlined counts link to customer lists that identify the individuals that make up this count. For the purposes of this tutorial video, we will not be showing the customer list as these tutorials are made public and we don't want the customer information to be made available in that format. In the customer list, you do have the ability to filter and sort by exit quarter, so you can start filtering information by program year. For more information on using the customer list, you can check out the detailed instructions or contact info@illinoisworknet.com to request an overview. The dashboard will start at a statewide level. Only users with statewide access will be able to see the blue linked numbers at this level. The dashboard can be filtered down in a variety of formats as well. The filters start with title. Currently, we're only pulling in Title I data, but additional titles have been included, so the dashboard can be built out in the future if needed. You can also filter on workforce program. We're pulling in adult, dislocated worker, youth, and other. If you select adult, dislocated worker, or youth, you'll be able to update your organization to pull in a specific LWIA data. If you select a specific LWIA, the dashboard will update to show that LWIA's data. Users will only be able to have access to the LWIAs they're associated with in IWDS. LWIA administrators will only have access to their LWIAs, and career planners will only have access to their LWIAs and the data that they have access to in IWDS. Once you filter to an organization, you have the ability to filter down by office or career planner. You can select the drop-down and either search the drop-down list or begin typing in the item you would like to filter to. If you filter to Other, the dashboard will update to show LWIA 90. You then have the ability to filter by program or grant opportunity. Users will only have access to the LWIA 90 programs or grant opportunities that they have access to in IWDS. Once you filter to your applicable LWIA or LWIA 90, you will see blue linked customer lists and you will be able to select from those counts. Participant Overview is the first section in the dashboard. The dashboard then moves to a customer engagement section. We then have customer activity, exit information, performance training indicators, measurable skill gains, and credential attainment rate, and then exiters qualifying for performance. You have successfully learned how to navigate the dashboard tools within IPATS.